So if I switch over to the VIX, you would expect that the VIX would be telling you on the daily chart that it has some period of rally ahead of it, that this decline would raise implied volatilities. That's because there will be a demand for puts. Here is the pattern right over here, and I want you to see the minor quarter patterns right in here. So that's where we are right over here, the bottoming of this minor quarter pattern. What that says is that you're likely to get a rally in implied volatilities here for probably about a week's time, and then it begins to come down again. So we're not really, when you look at this doesn't really give you the sense that the stock market could collapse yet, and we're really not looking for it. We're looking for about a week decline right over there in the stock market where the VIX goes up, and then a week or week and a half advance in the stock market where the VIX goes down, and that makes July 24th the next risky period over where we are right now. So we're looking for rally in the VIX, decline in the VIX, rally in the VIX. That would be a decline in the stock market, a rally in the stock market, and a bigger decline in the stock market. That's what we see right over here. So this tells us right in here that we're likely to get a move in here in the stock market to the downside as implied volatilities get ready to tick up. So when I look at the weekly pattern in here, this is this decline that you have right over here, that's way too early, way too early for the implied volatilities to be done. So what that says to us is that you're likely to get some choppy action here in implied volatilities, and then a much bigger decline in the market brings you a pop over here into this July-August period that we've been talking about for the bottom in the stock market, and then another period where the stock market does better into the election time. So how the stock market could rally into election based on the I don't want to get too political here, but based on the prospects of the election right now in the polls, I can't see how the stock market could be happy about that at all. So we could get a pretty big spike of an implied volatility, maybe earlier than, or a little longer lasting than I have it right over here, and maybe a little bit higher. But I'm projecting implied volatility getting to 50 again in here between now and July. So that's what these charts are saying, close to 50 potentially. And I think that that points to the stock market moving down. And right now, the very short term, that says stock market moving down.